In this video for Positive Maths, we're going to look at an exam question involving complex numbers. So this is from the 2012 paper 1, question 4, part A. Given that 6 minus 4i plus 3u is equal to 5i, where I squared is equal to minus 1, first thing we have to do is find u, and the second thing is we have to plot u on the Argand diagram. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is just write out what we're given. So 6 minus 4i plus 3u is equal to 5i. So we're going to solve for u. So 3u is equal to 5i minus 6 plus 4i. So 3u is equal to, so 5i plus 4i gives us 9i minus 6. So u is equal to 9i minus 6 divided by 3. So therefore u, and we'll just write it up here, u is going to be equal to 9i divided by 3 minus 6 divided by 3. So therefore u is going to be equal to 3i minus 2. So now we have to plot u on the Argand diagram. So the first thing we need to do is draw our axes. So instead of x and y like we're used to with coordinate geometry, now we have the real axis, which is the x-axis, and the imaginary axis, which is the y. So again, similar to coordinate geometry, we plot our numbers. So on the right and on the top, we're going to have our positive values. And on the left and on the bottom, we have our negative values. So, because I'm drawing it here, it won't be as accurate as when you use graph paper yourself. But what you have to do is check that you've spaced your numbers out evenly, that you've labelled your diagrams, and that you have your positive and negative values where they should be. Another thing that we have to note with the Argand diagram is that we have the real axis, which is the real values, but we also have the imaginary axis. Now, with the imaginary axis, we don't put in 1i, 2i, 3i. We just put in the imaginary part of the number. So that's just the numbers. So if we have u in the form of a plus bi, we have minus 2 plus 3i. So that's minus 2 on the real axis and 3i on the imaginary axis. So our u is going to be here. For more information, visit PositiveMaths.ie, email us at info@PositiveMaths.ie, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching.